Alright guys, in this video we're going to be picking up two dirt bikes, a 1991 and 92 ATK 406. Now, thanks for watching and let's get into the video. Alright guys, well I was just scrolling Facebook Marketplace right now and it's probably like 9 o'clock at night. Look what we found. 1990 ATK 406. Super clean. Coming, I hear the thunder. Does Daddy need more dirt bikes? Alright y'all, we're going to In-N-Out. We just picked up those ATKs and now we're gonna go eat some lunch and we're chilling. Alright guys, got our In-N-Out. I'm stoked and we're gonna see you guys when we get home.
So we have an 88 406 and we've been looking for parts. We look for ATKs anyways because we like these bikes. But not only did we score another 406, ours needed a pipe and the pipes are impossible to get. This one came with 2 pipes. One of them looks like a Dynaport pipe. Actually they both might be. So we have 2 pipes. We have enough to build 3 of these now. This one's a runner, ours is a runner. That one needs some framework, somebody crashed it. But very rare and we scored 2 of them. And in a little bit we're going to fire this one up and take it for a cruise and check it out.
Yeah, it does sound really tall. Cause that was first gear and it's like ba 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 ba, and it was already.
Does that
going
mean
fast.
it's for a tall person? I'm just
No.
kidding. I know. I'm just kidding.
When it's geared tall, it just means it's
Isn't it?
So it's way fast.
way
Is it
fast.
longer? Is it longer between gears? Is that what you're saying?
Basically,
Between-
basically, yeah, yeah.
Instead of 5
See,
miles
I know what I'm
an
talking
hour,
about.
it'll do 15. And then 30 will be 45 or 50.
It sounds kind of.
Yeah, that was tall. You could tell how tall that was.
That's 6 speed will make it.
Yeah, he wasn't. That's why it sounded like that. He wasn't really getting on it.
Well, hopefully he doesn't, because.
Well, that was about mid throttle. Yeah, she's fast.
That last rip, the clutch started working. The clutch didn't work.
Yeah.
Then when I opened it up, it started working by John Clark's.
We have a brand new Barnett.
It's it needs some love. It needs the front brake. The little sight glass is leaking, so we're gonna. I have a Brembo off a new KTM. We might throw that on there. And it came with a bunch of parts. We're gonna have to figure out this rear brake. There's no brake in the rear, and the clutch was stuck. It unstuck after a little bit, but we have a new Barnett clutch in there, and it's a beast. These things, these are awesome motors. Like very torquey, 4-stroke type power. They're fast. So
When I saw him coming up the driveway, though, it just like spun the tire. It's how you can tell it's like so much torque.
it's very, very torquey.
I could tell how much torque it had, and it felt. Was it tall or geared? Was it geared taller?
No, it's,
No?
it's just like our old one. I was young when I rode that, so it's hard to remember how wild it was. But these are awesome bikes. We're stoked. All right, so we're super pumped. We're gonna fix it up. It doesn't need much, but everything it does need, we probably have in these boxes. All the parts we got, or between the extra chassis we got, and we're gonna ride it this winter. We might even take this to the vintage race at Shorty's in December. We'll see.
And I want to ride it so bad. It like just seeing him ride it makes me want to ride it so bad because that's such a sick
Yeah,
motor.
we're gonna have to heat wrap this up.
Such a sick motor.
We'll get some from BC.
Yeah, dude, I'm stoked on this thing. I think that we can definitely get this thing working good, and I want to ride it for sure because I just can't believe when Dad rode it right now how much it had. Follow along as we clean this thing up, get it working right, and hopefully I'll get to ride it. Thank you guys. And please like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram.